Hello everyone, my name is Mensa Prince, working student level 300, group 6 member. Today we are going to talk about technology tools in learning. We will take a close look at some examples of these tools and also demonstrate how to use them. Specifically, we will be exploring tools like presentation software, spreadsheet application, and the last one will be Scratch. So stay tuned as I and my colleagues take you through these amazing tools. Hello everyone, I welcome you back once again. So the topic for the day is the role of technology in our community, and under that we are going to look at the tools used in learning. So technology tools used in learning. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to know what technology is, various technology tools in learning, how these tools are used in the community and also in our education. In today's world, technology plays a vital role in almost every aspect of our lives, from education to communication and even in entertainment. Technology has transformed how we live and work. In this lesson, we will explore how different technology tools are used in our education, how they help us learn and connect with others. When we say what is technology, technology refers to the tools, machines and systems we use to solve problems. They are tools that make life easier or improve our skills. It includes everything from simple tools like calculator to complex systems like the internet. Examples of technology tools in learning. One is spreadsheet application, PowerPoint presentation, virtual museum, Scramble, and then Scratch. So the various tools in learning. Number one, spreadsheet. Spreadsheets are software tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. They help us organize, calculate, and analyze data. For example, teachers use spreadsheets to record student grades, while businesses use them to manage their finances. The second tool is presentation software. Tools like Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides are used to create presentations. They help in organizing ideas and information visually, making it easier to present and share knowledge. The third tool is Virtual Museum. It's an online platform that allows people to explore museums from anywhere in the world. It is a fantastic way to learn about history, arts and culture without leaving your home. So when you want to explore the world's museums, you need Virtual Museum to explore. The fourth one is Scrabble. It's a word game that can be played both offline and online. It is a fun way to improve vocabulary and spelling skills whilst competing with friends and family. The last one is Scratch. It's a programming tool that allows users, especially younger learners, to create interactive stories, games, and animations. It helps in developing logical thinking and problem-solving skills. How these tools are used in our community. These tools are not just limited to the classroom. Here's how they impact our community. Education. Teachers and students use spreadsheets to track progress and analyze data, whilst virtual museums provide access to learning resources from around the world. Communication, that's the second point. Presentation tools help in sharing ideas effectively during meetings or community gatherings. And then the third one is entertainment. Games like Scrabble help in building cognitive skills whilst having fun. And then the last one, which is creativity. Scratch encourages young minds to think creatively and develop their program skills. So in conclusion, technology plays an important or a vital role in our daily lives, and understanding how to use it effectively is essential. By exploring and practicing with these tools, students can enhance their experience and contribute positively to our community. So in our next lesson, I'll be taking you through Scratch programming basics, and we are going to create a simple animation using Scratch programming. So stay tuned whilst I prepare for that lesson.